I'm Harry Kirkpatrick, head chef at Trinity restaurant in Clapham Common. So my career so far started at the Bournemouth and Poole College on the Specialised Chef Scholarship. So my apprenticeship that intertwined with that was at Claridge's Hotel. In total, I spent 5 years at Claridge's Hotel. From then on, I moved to New York to work at 11 Madison Park for 1 year. I then returned to London and came to Trinity. I was here for 4.5 years, left as a senior sous chef to then go on and work with the fantastic Alex Dilling and Pierre at the Café Royale. I was there for 1 year, and then I returned 7 months ago to Trinity as head chef. So I decided to return to Trinity. For me, this restaurant is like home. I was obviously here for a long time and then spent a year away working with Alex and Pierre, which was amazing. But when the opportunity was offered to me, it felt really right intrinsically. This restaurant for me is like an institution, and I've got a really, really good relationship with Chef Byatt. And at this point in my career, it felt right. So my relationship with Adam is incredibly supportive. He's very much letting me sort of carve my own path into the restaurant and with the food, but at the same time as supporting and mentoring me along the way. We sit down every day, so we sit down at 10 o'clock every day. We discuss where the food's at, what we're liking, what we want to change, what's in season, what's coming out of season. The food style here is very classic, very classical. Pretty heavily cemented in sort of rudimental French gastronomy. But we like to keep things very clean, very precise. The food to be very identifiable, and just not to have too many things on the plate. So Trinity is a 7-day operation. We're open for lunch and dinner Monday to Sunday, so the place never stops. Then in terms of covers, the most that we can do is 42. Lunches were around 30, 35, and pretty much every dinner service is 40, 42 covers. So we have the restaurant upstairs, which is called Upstairs. So that is a separate restaurant, the same ingredients, the same style of cooking, but it's in a much more casual environment. Sort of smaller plates, the food comes out whenever it's ready. We have 2 chefs that work up there, between 2 and 3 front of house. Success for me has to be for the team. Having a happy team that want to come here, want to work hard and motivate me. I feel that's a really key part of success. And then obviously having a busy restaurant. I would say for a young chef, they should let their journey dictate where they go. I feel working in restaurants and hotels both have their strengths and weaknesses. Hotels are incredibly organised. You have to be incredibly disciplined there. I do feel that would be a very important part of your training. Restaurants are a little bit different. But I think the most important thing for young chefs, patience, humility, discipline, are really, really key factors.